Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix can't receive text notifications on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, many of you are complaining about after buying the latest iPhone 15 you are facing an issue of text notifications, that you are not receiving text notifications and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix can't receive text notifications on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check do not disturb mode. Make sure your iPhone 15 is not in do not disturb mode feature. If you have enabled the do not disturb mode on your iPhone 15, then you have to do is simply disable it. To disable it, you have to simply scroll down from the top right corner of your screen to access to the control center, and you can see an option do not disturb mode. If you have enabled it, then you have to disable it. After disabling it, then you have to do is check your silent mode switch. Ensure that the silent mode switch, also known as the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone 15, is not turned on. When it's on, you will see an orange line. Flip it to the off position if it's on. After checking these two steps, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open the software update and then check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating your iOS version and you're still facing the issue and you still can't receive text notification, then our last step is to reset your network settings. You have to go to scroll down and then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix can't receive text notifications on your iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.